I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. First of all, I would like to thank you everyone that you're giving me comments, you're sharing the feedbacks. Someone is asking me, ma'am, why are you not sharing the price? Someone is asking, ma'am, please show the chudidars. Someone is asking, ma'am, please boutique sarees. Someone asking like Poonam sarees. Every comments, it's really very interesting to read, and some are written about the lehengas, that this lehenga I bought for my wedding, so and so, so and so. These all comments are helping me to what kind of collections and what kind of videos I should create for you to share with you. So this is really helpful. So thanks once again and keep supporting me. And today I also brought for you the only Shravanaman collections, which is from the silk segment of the high range varieties. Here, if I talk about this section, the entire section, which is around 500 to 2500, 3000, last to last I can say 3500. So today let's see Shravan month exclusive varieties. I brought the range of 1200 to 2500. Subscribe the channel easily, quickly. You can buy these collections, add into your business, resellers, dealers, wholesalers. So this collections, and here one trolley is going on. This trolley is having a lot of bunches of varieties which is purchased. So in this way you can do online purchase also, visit purchase also. So you can also enjoy some Poonam saree, silk saree, rapier saree, cotton saree, lot many more varieties when you do visit purchase. So let's see the samples quickly. Watch the video and take a screenshot, call and place an order. So first I start with beautiful saree of the creamish color with tomato red color, very pretty. If I'm not sharing the code, you can take the screenshot. Lovely saree, huh? Camera, lovely saree.
Yeah.
So half cream white with the tomato red, one of the light copper, where you can see the coating, which is a weaving work has been done. This is a butta, beautiful pallu. If I talk about the next saree, I have a Kesaria black flower silk. Flower silk, I like this color. Huh? So this is one of the pattern. Quickly you can purchase these varieties. Butta weaving work has been copper butta, and this is a blouse. This is lovely floral pallu. This is body part. All these collections you can purchase. Take a screenshot and quickly you can contact. Today I am showing you 1200 to 2500. One more saree, which is silver butta, copper butta, circle butta, which is very pretty, bottle green with tomato red, heavy copper. This is Kanjivaram Shreya. Kanjivaram Shreya is the code. Bottle green with copper, tomato dark red with heavy beautiful pallu. You can take a screenshot. Every saree is very lovely and very pretty. Silver copper you can see, and in the border also you can see silver with greenish color. All these varieties. Now I'll show you very ocean blue with dark purple. Lovely color. This is also pretty color combination. This is, the code is Parimal Silka. This is dotted butta. Okay, lovely with cover dark purple. Fancy. This is dark purple. You can see sunfloral butta work with the border, heavy border. This is one of the pattern. Patola sarees. Next saree is Patola saree, which is Odia famous saree. These sarees are now trending now. They also buy and they purchase. Yellow with dark magenta, heavy border. This is a running blouse with the fancy tassels. So lovely Patola saree, big border, royal. Patola sarees are nowadays in trending. Even all the state people are choosing. Now I'll come to Banarasi. Banarasi is very heavy. Huh? I showed you the sarees. Very pretty. This is all collections for the Shravan month. You can fancy Deepanshi silk. Fancy Deepanshi silk with blouse you can purchase. All these varieties. So in this you have a beautiful color, lovely. And I'll show you the next pattern. This is Siroski you got in the pallu. In the border also you got in the this heavy Siroski stonework with the green color. Now I'll come to pista green with purple. Only in the border and the pallu you can see the Swarovski different stone weaving work. This is one kind of saree. This is one of the pattern. This is brocade blouse. This is body part. You can see parrot green with dark purple, fancy tassel, and with the rangoli pattern, the stones which has been placed. And in this you got a beautiful lovely box packing. All these collections you got a photocopy also. You have a rich look box varieties. If I want to show you box backside, you can see all the Banarasi heavy pallu, butta, heavy butta, copper butta, golden butta sarees. We do have a wedding collections, wedding based sarees, Banarasi based sarees, lovely pretty collections of individual multiple varieties of packing collections you can purchase. These all varieties today I showed you 1200 to 2500. So these all varieties of Shravan month collections which I've showed you. These collections having a huge margin, no need to worry about the margins. Based on your locations you can check and you can add it. And to make your customers happy, always add new collections in your business. To start a boutique, to start a home-based business, or to start a showroom or shop, you can contact Kesaria Manufactures. You can invest. You have a video calling purchase 9:30 to 8:30. You can purchase. You can do visit purchase. Come to the reception point. They will guide you based on the sales executives. So if you like these collections, hopefully please enjoy these collections by placing an order. Keep supporting me. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep following, and please share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone who is really looking for silk and clothing business new collections with updates. So next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye bye friends.